Wanted to grow something truly spectacular? Let's talk about the passionflower vine. With its out-of-this-world exotic blooms, this vigorous climber is a real showstopper in any garden. To get started, find a spot with full sun. Passionflowers thrive in heat and are happiest in frost-free climates. If you live somewhere cooler, you can still grow them in a sheltered spot or a container. They love rich, well-drained soil, so mix in some compost before planting. And don't forget a trellis or support for them to climb. Once planted, water them deeply about once a week, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer monthly during the growing season. A quick prune in late winter will keep the vine tidy and encourage tons of new flowers. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, but a little neem oil usually sorts them out. Remember, the more sun they get, the more flowers you'll have. Happy gardening!